Hey guys, my name is BuildItGeorge, and today I wanted to talk about the conversion process of a DL8 side mirror to a DL3. So, to understand what a DL8 side mirror is, basically, this is the example right here that I have. This is mine. The only thing that this side mirror could do is move this mirror right here. Never had side markers, no puddle lights. It would not fold. Just this was the only thing that was powered. Also, from the interior car perspective, this panel is missing the power fold option right here where my finger is rubbing against. This is how you will also know that you have a DL8 optioned spec'd out car. So I went on eBay and I looked around and I found new panels with the DL3 option included for roughly around $100. To understand something as well, you cannot skip out on the passenger side, as some people assume that they can get away with without the passenger side. You cannot. Like, you need both of them in order for this process to work. So as I drop it, let me move all of these to the side and let me show you guys what I mean from there. So if you guys can tell right here, this is the panel right here that I'm talking about with the power fold option right there. So if we can look at my side mirror right now as we fold it, this is the power fold. This is the side marker. Also, the side mirrors will also move down, and this is the park tilt option. And when you move it back to park and or drive, it will move back to its original spot. Also, when we look down behind, we got the puddle lights. So the process is pretty straightforward. You got to get these panels. You got to get the new mirrors. You guys can find them on eBay for a good deal on both of them. That's how I got mine. When it comes to what I would suggest with these panels is that please get the matching one. Like if yours is a Tahoe, look for a Tahoe or a Suburban. If it's a Denali, look for the Denali's pieces or the Yukons. Silverados, just stick with that, as you will have the most luck with them, in my honest opinion. I haven't tried it, but I just stuck with my make and model, which is a Tahoe, and that's what I got, and they all worked out perfectly fine. Some people have attempted with the Escalade ones, but they tend to be finicky, especially when you buy the side mirrors from the Escalade, just because of the chrome piece on the bottom to differentiate. I don't agree with that, to be quite honest with you, but that's up to you guys. The Escalade ones sometimes work, sometimes don't. It just all varies on how they connect, on how the connections and what they have with them. And other than that, that's basically it. Also, when you guys do install your DL3 optioned panel, in the settings, we can go through and scroll through, and I have an added option, which is park tilt mirrors. So I can disable this when I go in reverse and the mirrors move downwards for the curbs to see what's going down. You guys can disable this as well. I have mine on for both. Doesn't bother me at all. Other than that, that's basically it. Just a bit of a disclaimer that I wanted to mention. If you guys do intend to get tow mirrors or the ones that have blind spot assist, just know that there's going to be issues when it comes to those. So let me explain the tow mirrors first. The tow mirrors are missing the power fold and the park tilt options on them. The only thing that you will have available is the side markers on them. Now, there's some tow mirrors as well that have auxiliary lights that shine bright when they go in reverse, and that's handy, sure. But you're missing the power fold and the power tilt, which was the intention of the video. If you guys do have DL3 mirrors and you guys want tow mirrors already, then go ahead, switch them. But you just note that you will be losing that functionality from your car. Now, I want to talk about the blind spot assist as well, because it's the same exact mirror, only you have an additional piece in there, and that's the blind spot logo. And to break it down as simply as possible for you guys, the technology is not there in our cars. You're better off just trading in your car and just buying one that is spec'd out with that option, because adding that technology into your car and making it work, it sounds more of a hassle and a lot of money down the drain, just so you won't turn your head a 90-degree angle toward the left or the right to see if anybody's in your blind spot. That's basically it. If you guys liked the video, drop a like. If you guys didn't, drop a dislike. If you guys have any questions down below, comment down below and I'll gladly answer them for you. And last but not least, subscribe to the channel. Your guys' support is what makes me want to make these videos, and I'll gladly make these videos for you guys. I could never find any explanations on YouTube, and I'm trying to make as many explanation videos and how-to videos on these cars and other cars in general, for people that are looking for information. Anyways, this is BuildItGeorge, and I hope you guys have a wonderful one. Bye-bye.